In this video, I'm going to cover few more shortcuts which are very much important, and anyone who is willing to work as a professional or already working as a professional need to know all these shortcuts. But I'm not going to cover each and every shortcuts here, but I'm going to show you only those shortcuts which are widely frequently used. And if you learn those shortcuts, start using those shortcuts, it will really help you to do your day-to-day work very smoothly. In this series, I am going to start with the window shortcuts. Window shortcuts are important shortcuts. If you see, there are two window icons on your keyboard. One is on left side, another is on right side. So you can use any of the window. I mean, that's absolutely fine. Now I'm going to press window with my keyboard. When I press window with keyboard, I can see a open programs dialog box where I can see multiple programs which are installed on my system. If you see the multiple programs, I can see. If I want to disappear or want to remove this dialog box, I need to press escape. When you press escape, you can see that this dialog box is disappeared now. Another window shortcut is window E. So if I want to open my computer, so I can press window, then E. I can see that my computer folder got opened. And if you see that there are multiple, so you can access any of the folder now. It's drive C, E, F, or my computer, anything that you want to. If you want to close this, the shortcut called Alt F4. So any program, if anything is open on Internet Explorer, you can close it by Alt F4, function 4, right? So F4, so you can close that. Next is sometimes what happens on your window multiple. If you see that multiple programs are opened at your window, multiple other programs are open. Now if you want to minimize it, shortcut is window M. And if you want to restore that minimize programs, you need to press window shift M. Sometimes what happens, the professionals works multiple screens. And if you're working on multiple screens, in that case, you have to arrange your multiple programs on multiple screens so that you can see the data side by side. For that, we need to press. So for example, if I want to, so I have only single screen system. Okay, I'm not using multi-screen system. In that case, the shortcut to see side by side two different programs to compare the numbers or to compare the data, for that shortcut is window left arrow. And these are the programs that you want to open on right side, because these are the open program at your system as of now. So if I press this one, click on this, look, I can see this on right side. So if you see, it's side by side view. This is Excel. I want to show it here on left side. If I want to show it right side, I'll press twice, right window, 2 times right arrow. I can see it. I can check the number. I can flip it, right? So depends actually what you want to do. But if same times, if you want to show this window on right side, this window on right side, so window right arrow twice, right? You have to maximize this right arrow so you can see it. If you see this, you want to show on left side, so press left so you can see it. You can see it. You can compare the number from side by side view. And if you want to show this window on left side of your computer, you have to press window left arrow key 2 times. when you press 2 times, then it will be shown into the left side of your screen if you are using two screen on your system. There are one more shortcuts which is generally used by professionals. One is window R to run the dialog box. If you want to search anything, look, if you see the type of program, folder, elements, Internet Explorer, resource, or window open. So if you want to run anything, you just need to press on window R. Window T is very much important actually. When this is a taskbar, this is your taskbar, and these are the programs which I have pinned because I am generally using those programs and I don't want to go here and search those programs. So better I can pin on my taskbar. If I want to open it, I just click on this and I'll be able to open it. So for example, if I click on this, look, I can open the programs which is associated with this. So look, I mean, this is what I have opened. So if I want to run through this by using shortcuts, so shortcut is window T. 2 times T, 3 times, 4 times. Look, I can navigate across all taskbar shortcuts. How can I? So if you click on this right arrow, click on this, any of the pinned program. If I want to click right arrow, I can see the unpin. If I unpin it, look, it will get disappeared. You can't see it, right? If I want to pin this here, I want to show that Adobe Reader. I don't want to show it here, but I want to show it here on taskbar. So I just need to click on this right arrow. So I need to go to this program first, right? So window, program, Adobe Reader. I can right click and I can look, I mean, pin. I want to pin to taskbar. So when I click on this, I can see it here. So you can pin the programs here which you frequently used, and you can just click on this instead of going ahead and on window open this program then opening from here. So better actually directly you can open from here.